Welcome. We want to look at forming one-step linear inequality for grade 6 learners in a step-by-step method using the available resources. Welcome. We want to consider these bottle tops. Here there are so many red bottle tops with us here. So we can in this case, let's say Peter is the one who was using these bottle tops to do some counting. This learner by the name Peter was using these bottle tops to do some counting. And he has so many of them. He has so many bottle tops. You can call the number of bottle tops to be B. Also, he has another one here. He has these bottle tops which are green and they are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he has 10 greens bottle tops. So we can say the red one, which is B, plus 10. When you look at this number, these bottle tops in total, they are not less than, let's say, 40. So we can use the symbol not less than 40. Not less than 40. Not less than 40. So using these bottle tops, we can form our inequality. Whereby now, B stands for the red bottle tops. B, the red bottle tops, plus then green ones, which we have found in the year 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 10. It is greater than 40. So that is how you can use these items to form an inequality like this one. So we can subtract both sides. 10b plus 10 minus 10 greater than 40 minus 10. So b greater than 40 minus 10 is that. So in our case, the number of bottle tops this learner has, it is B standing for bottle tops, which is greater than that, as you can see here. So that is how we form inequalities. This learner here, this learner was using this cube or a cuboid made up of different colors to learn algebra, and in particular, the learner was learning about linear inequalities, and he realized that out of the many cubes which he has, there were in total they were not more than 50 cuboid. They were not more than 50 cuboid, but he realized that in all of them there were only 2 which were white. Only 2 were white. So we can form an inequality to represent this information, whereby there are 2 white cuboid, and the rest we can, and in total of this cuboid they are not more than 50. So we can let the number of the other color of this cuboid to be even n. So n plus 2, not more than 50. So this learner here by the name, let's call him John, realized that in total the number of cuboid he was using were not more than 50, and the white ones are 2. So we can represent this information using mathematics, whereby we write that n plus 2, it is less than 50, meaning that the total number of cuboid around cumulatively, it is not more than 50. It could be 50 or less than, as you can see here. So at this level, we can subtract 2 on both sides. So you have n plus 2 minus 2 less than 50 minus 2. So n less than minus 2 minus 2, you don't get 0. 50 minus 2 is 48. So learners, that is how you can use this information and the available materials to learn algebra about linear inequality. So here, this information means that the total number of cuboid here, all the colors, it is not more than 50. So if you look at forming linear inequality, we have these two students here by the name John, and we are told that John bought 10 pence. He bought 10 pence. James bought n pence. Then you are told that if the total number of pence was more than 20, so total pence, we are told it is more than 20. We are told that form an inequality to represent this information. So what you are going to do, we are going to add now. So you have 10 plus n. More than means greater than here. More than means greater than, so use this symbol, greater than 20. So that is how we form an inequality. So you read the question. Step by step. John bought 10 pence. So John bought 10 pence. This other person by the name James bought n pence. So James bought n pence. The total number of pence was more than 20. So total number more than 20. So the number of pence which were bought by John plus the number of pence which were bought by James should be more than 20. And we use this one. So the next, we look at simplifying linear inequality. Like this one now. To simplify this, what we do, we subtract 10 both sides. So you have 10 minus 10 plus n greater than 20 minus 10. We subtract even on that the other side. So this side you will be left with n, which is greater than 20 minus 10 is 10. So that is how you can simplify that simple linear inequality. You are also to simplify this other linear inequality. This other one, we have 5 over 6r plus 6 greater than 26. So to do that, first of all, you beginning by subtracting 6 both sides. So minus 6 plus 6 greater than 26 minus 6. So you will get 5 on the left hand side, 6r minus 6 plus 6, that one will become 0, greater than 26 minus 6 is 20. Once you get that, now you multiply both sides by 6. So you have 5r greater than 20 times 6. 5r greater than, so 20 times 6 is 120. From there, now you divide both sides by 5. So r greater than 120 divided by 5. You can leave it that way, or you decide to simplify by, so you can leave it at this point, or you simplify it by dividing 120 divided by 5, it is 24. So it can be written as r greater than 24. So what you do, you begin by subtracting 6 in both sides. You subtract 6 this side here so that you can eliminate 6, and you subtract it on the other side. Once you subtract, the next thing, you multiply by 6. here by 6 and this side by 6. When you multiply here by 6, 6 will cancel, and 20 times 6 will get 120. Then from there now you divide by 5 both sides to be left with the r. And 120 divided by 5, it is 24. You are also to simplify this one. So to do that, what you do, you add 4 on both sides. So you have y minus 4 plus 4 greater than 12 plus 4. So y minus 4 will cancel, greater than 12 plus 4 is 16. Assignment, simplify one-step linear inequality. So to write this at your own time, you have 2p less than 4 plus 16. So simplify so that you can be left with the p this side. 3 over 5m plus 6 less than 10. And 1 over 4t minus 14 less than 7. So try this and let me get the response from you later so that I see you are working. You are going to follow the same method as the one we have followed above. Bye bye. See you next time as we continue learning mathematics for grade 6.